Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to record audio internally in 24-bit 96kHz in Zoom H1 audio recorder. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Zoom H1 audio recorder. So firstly, just select this web record format. So just set it to web firstly, and now just turn on your Zoom H1 microphone. So I've turned on. So right now you can see here it's showing 44 kHz 16-bit. So in order to manually change it, just press this arrow up button. So now you can see it's changing. Keep pressing. So now it's showing 16-bit 96 kHz. Just press it again. So now finally we've got 24-bit 96 kHz. So now if you press this record button, then it will start recording. As you can see, the red indication showing up. As you can see, the timer is running out. So now whatever you will record internally will be saved in the 24-bit 96 kHz. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily record audio internally in 24-bit 96 kHz in Zoom H1 audio recorder very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.